She's like, well, 50%. I was like, babe, spot me 50%. He's like, all right, I'll do you one better. I'll pay 50. I was like, huh? Okay. So I grew like a big clown people in the workshop. Hi, good night, guys. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of a bag that I recently got kind of for Christmas. So it's like the very first Christmas gift I've received, kind of from myself, kind of not. Um, so before I tell you about the bag that I got, I want to tell you about why I got this bag in particular. Years back, I made a promise to myself that I would stop settling for things that I don't really like or don't make me happy, and I meant that kind of across the board, not just in like relationships and um, workplace where I live and stuff like that, but also in the things that I spend my money on. So I stopped hopping to every single sale that I would see Payless having, or Francis Fashion, or whoever else, or whatever affordable um, place would have, and I would just put my money down. Like, no, you do not need another pair of shoes, you do not need another this. And also, if I found myself, now I grew up with a somewhat difficult childhood, and I kind of had to, in my adulthood, beat myself out of that mindset of just be happy you have it, and elevate to the point of no, you deserve the best of it. So I had to learn or reteach myself how not to settle or not make do, and get the best of it, if you understand what I'm saying, right? So that being said, I made the decision to stop purchasing, I don't want to say fake bags, stop purchasing vegan leather bags, stop purchasing bags made essentially out of plastic, and bags, shoes, jewelry. So I've also stopped purchasing. So I still have some, but I've stopped purchasing fashion jewelry and costume jewelry. So the ones that I have, the pieces that I have, are what I would have had from long before. And I try wherever possible to make sure that my jewelry pieces are actual silver, actual gold, no fashion jewelry. Unless they're brooches. Brooches, I tend to stick. I would bend for brooches. Um, Same thing with my handbags. Now, to make that leap into handbags was a somewhat costly one, because genuine, and I should actually no, I don't want to say genuine leather bags, and I'll tell you why in a bit. Genuine leather bags are actually pasted together pieces of leather, not real leather, but real leather, Italian leather, cowhide leather, mood in a previous life leather bags cost money, right? This ain't no quick trip to the mall money. This is wait until the bonus money. This is put aside a 500 every month for 3 to 4 months money. So it took me a while, but I finally got a bag that made me happy, that matches everything, basically ticks all the boxes with regards to what I look for in a bag, and most importantly, is locally made. So this ain't no designer handbag, though it is a local designer, yes, but this isn't the typical designer unboxing, this, or unbagging, as my fiance says. This is a local design, because I'm all, as a local business person myself, I always make the effort to support local business persons, entrepreneurs. And this bag that I'm unboxing today, or unbagging today, is from the Punchline. Now, I have been marking her tote bags. Well, yeah, I've been marking her tote bags, their tote bags for some months. I've been marking their website for maybe a year, and I keep going on scrolling through, like, soon, go on again, scroll through, soon. And then I saw they came out with a line of tote bags that are relatively the size of the handbag I would use for work. I was like, oh, I don't have the money yet. And I keep saying, okay, well, soon, soon, soon. And then Christmas come around, Black Friday sale, expo season, everything. And they came up with a full line, different colors. And I'm marking it like, I want a navy, or I want a beige, or maybe tan. And then I noticed on the Instagram page, put up, and the ones that I'm marking, X, 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 only for me to realize that they are selling out, and these are like one of a kind, only one in each color being made. When it done. I'm like, okay, so how are we doing this? Reach out to them. Can I come, and I see that you're at upmarket. I want to come to your upmarket on the 19th. I'm supposed to get my bonus then. Let me come. And she's like, very sweet, very professional. It's like, well, these moving fast, and if by the time you come to upmarket on the 19th, you may not get what you want. What you're doing this weekend, maybe you can come this weekend to my workshop and see what you can do, maybe put something down and figure out what you're doing. It's like, I don't even have half right now. how are we making this work? So I call my fiance. It's like, babe, so the handbag that I've been eyeing for months now. You're hearing him signing in the background. The handbag I've been eyeing for months now, it might get sold out soon. Can you carry me to the workshop tomorrow? It's like, well, my tight. We have to carry Skylar to dance, and she have first communion. We have this and that and next. It's like, all right. Message her. It's like, how about this evening? It's like, all right. What time? It's like around 4. So I call back my fiance. He's like, all right, yeah. So after I pick you up, just know you're not going to London Clothing Company sale anymore. If you go into the workshop, I was like, all right, fine, cool. So we went to the workshop. She had 2 bags. The one I got, and an orange one with a navy accessories. What do you want to call it? Basically a navy strap, navy accents. There we go, navy accents. And I was like, and I kind of dance and I hear and a horn or whatever. I was like, all right, fine. I want this one, the one that I chose. I want this one. How are we working it? And she's like, well, 50%. I was like, babe, spot me 50%. He's like, all right, I'll do you one better. I'll pay 50. I was like, huh? Okay. So I grew like a big clown people in the workshop, and he paid for it for me, and I got my bag. So I'm gonna show you my bag now. So she wrapped it up for me. She be, and this was on Friday. Today is Sunday, and I'm now officially taking it out since then. So bag is a nice big but plain bag, and the wrapping paper, I don't know if you can see that, says the punchline. Her last name is Punch, by the way. So, and punching is also an activity that's done in leather making. So, all of the paper says the punchline, sticker says the punchline. So let's, how are we doing this? And all of her bags, at least the totes, come in a dust bag that also say the punchline. The dust bag is a brown cotton type of material. And here is the bag. So it's a nice, simple handbag, tote bag that I can use for work. But this is not vegan leather. She moved in another life. And inside the bag is the strap, so you can actually attach the strap on. And of course the straps are adjustable, and it's adjustable like our belt is adjustable. Belts are something made there too. And we have front pockets, and this is inside the bag. I have weighted, like this could be a 5 to 7 pounds all by itself. And some sturdy quality hardware there. And the lining is a grey paisley lining. And inside there is the name, the punchline. Alright, some more pockets inside. Oh, a little card on how to care for it. So, like, do not use chemical cleansers or other treatments to damage the leather item. It is recommended that you use treatments that are specifically for the maintenance and preservation of leather, for example, leather grease, mink oil, leather lotion. Right. So this would be my new work bag in 2022. So because this going right back in the closet until then. And I just love this bag. And let me tell you why I really love this bag. So when I first made my vow to, treat myself better, don't settle for less, buy authentic options of what I want, I mistook authentic to mean expensive. And in certain cases, that is the case. That is truly true. Real, genuine things, quality things do cost money, but sometimes people are selling you based on what they value and not necessarily what it is the real value of the item. So case in point, I bought this handbag. This is a Betsy Johnson designer handbag a few years back, maybe 2017. And she was fine. And then the pandemic happened. And when I pulled her out of the closet, she was peeling. Now I can't remember how much I paid for this bag, but a Betsy Johnson bag like this locally retails for about $1,000 TT. Look at this. Tell me why $1,000 looking like this. Alright? And you don't know how much this hurting me, because I try search all over Obama internet looking for a solution to fix this. and it got to the point that it started to peel off, and bits and pieces of the covering of the bag got stuck to the back of my wardrobe, right? And this is a so-called designer bag, but it's also vegan leather plastic. This is a bag that I actually bought from a friend. Really love this bag. This is my fat bag. I'm going out. It has a nice little strap, a little skinny strap, so I can wear it on my shoulder, and it also can work as a fanny pack. And it's nice and long, so it's going around my Tickums waist. What she is. Vegan leather. I'm still holding out for hope that I must find a way to repair what's happening in here, but it hurts. Now, I'm not saying that leather is indestructible, but I remember seeing a leather handbag, cowhide leather handbag that my grandmother used to tote around, just sitting on the corner of her room, untouched for maybe a decade and a half. It kind of shriveled up because it didn't get any grease or anything like that in a while, but that can be fixed, that can be refurbished, and that can be used again. Every leather maker and bag maker that I've gone to with this tell me throw it away. That I throw away $1,000. This is currently my work handbag, and she's doing the job. I'm grateful, especially to the person who gave her to me, but she's worked hard, so I had to get an additional strap to take some weight off of her, and she will rally until December 31st when the punchline gonna get pulled out. So that's it for my bag unboxing and my little story time and my little soapbox speech. I hope you all enjoy your evening. I am going to wash off my face and comb my child hair to get ready for work and school tomorrow. So you enjoy your evening and stay blessed, stay sanitized, stay healthy. Make sure you smell good. I'm supposed to come with some perfume videos, I promise. In the meantime, I'm back on TikTok, so you can go over there. I will leave my information below, and you can see at least what I'm up to there. So that's it. You enjoy your evening. Bye.